Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to be passed by another car while driving. In this video, I'll be going over 3 simple things that you can do to easily be passed by another car while driving. Sometimes while you're driving, you're gonna have to be passed by another car. Now what you wanna do is 3 simple things, okay? So you want to relax. That's the first thing that you have to do. Relax. It's okay to be passed by another car while you're driving. It's not something that is a horrible thing. Some people think, oh, I got passed by another car. Sometimes people just want to pass you. Sure, sometimes maybe you're driving too slow, but other times people are just in a rush and they just want to pass you. So number 1, relax. Number 2, maintain your speed. You don't want to accelerate. You don't want to slow down. You literally just want to maintain your speed, okay? You don't want to change or alter your speed in any way. You just want to maintain your speed. Step number 3 is stay calm and allow them to pass. So those are the 3 simple steps. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna exit this parking lot. There's actually something happening over here, so hopefully I can get out of here nice and easily. But you really want to focus on those 3 steps. So I will be showing you exactly what you need to do. So let's say I'm driving on the road and a car wants to pass me. Like, it's evident that a car wants to pass me. You know, they are riding close to me, they are tailgating me, they're riding really close and they want to pass me. Well, what do I do? Step number 1, like I said, is just relax. You got to stay calm. It's super important to relax and stay calm. And it's probably the most important and crucial thing that you can do. You got to stay calm. Keep 2 hands on the wheel, keep a sturdy grip on the wheel, and stay calm. Right, so that's step number 1. Step number 2 is maintain your speed. Now here's the thing, right? If you accelerate, you're gonna hinder that driver's ability to pass you. If you slow down, you're gonna cause them to brake, which will complicate things even more. Just maintain your speed. Even if you're driving too slow for their liking, and that's why they want to pass you, even if you're driving too slow for the speed limit, and that's why they want to pass you, maintain your speed, because it's going to make their life a lot easier. It's going to make their lives a lot easier when they pass you, right? Step number 3 is allow them to pass. You don't want to change lanes. You don't want to try and get out of their way. Like I'm telling you, literally, stay like this, stay in your lane, maintain your speed, and allow them to pass. So as soon as my light turns green, I'm gonna show you what I would do if I knew that I was likely going to be passed by another driver. Now, another thing you have to keep in mind, if you are being passed, maybe you're driving too slow. Maybe, you know, they're driving too fast, but maybe you're driving too slow. So you have to assess your own driving. Are you driving too slow, or are they just in a crazy rush? You got to look at it objectively and just figure out if it's you that's causing the problem or if it's them that's causing the problem. So like I said, step number 1, relax. It's okay, it's normal, it's fine. Step number 2, maintain your speed. Step number 3, just stay there and allow them to pass, okay? Now, let's say I was driving on the road, so I'm gonna accelerate up to speed now, but let's say I was driving on the road and I wanted to, you know, driver behind me wanted to pass. I would just do this. 2 hands on the wheel, stay in my lane, relax, and wait for that driver to pass. Maintaining my speed. Right now I'm going 61 kilometers an hour. I would just maintain that speed. Now imagine this. Let's say that driver behind me wanted to pass, but I decided to accelerate. So now I'm accelerating a bit. The speed limit here is 70 kilometers an hour, so don't worry. I'm not going over the speed limit. Let's say I accelerated here. All of a sudden, that driver now has to break through the speed limit and probably floor it to pass me, which isn't good. It puts me and them in an unsafe position. Now, let's say I decided to slow down. There's no one behind me right now, so that's why I can do this. Let's say I decided to push the brakes. Now that driver is braking only to accelerate moments later, only to get in front of me, and I slow down. It just doesn't make any sense. So how to get passed by a car is simple. You want to literally, and I'll just move into the right lane for this. You want to literally keep 2 hands on the wheel, maintain your speed, relax, just let them do what they want to do. It's literally as simple as that. That is the process for being passed by another car and another driver. And that's it. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.